Welcome to today's practical class. We'll be heading straight to our Canva app, and then we'll be creating a new design. So you click on create, or you click on your create down here. You click on customize size. After you click on customize size, you input your sizes. Click here and here. You input your sizes. We are using 1080 for the width and 1080 for the height also. Make sure that your unit here is in pixels. You can click on this arrow, see inches, millimeter, centimeter, and pixels. So make sure it's in pixels. Yeah, make sure it's in pixels, then create new design. Okay, so what you do is just to swipe up, just take from here. Just take it from here and swipe down. Swipe it down. Okay, so this is where we are going to make our design. So we'll go to gallery down here. You can see the gallery down here. So you click on gallery. So we import this design that we want to do. Add to page. See your add to page here. Click on add to page. Okay, so this design we are going to recreate for today's practical class. We are going to recreate this design. So what we are going to do next is to pinch your screen. Pinch your screen. Are you seeing it? So after pinching your screen, click on this plus button to create another page. So you click on it. You can see now there are two pages. So we are going to click on the blank page. So now when you click outside, just don't click on this place. Don't click anywhere here. Click outside. Click anywhere outside. Click anywhere outside. And then after that, you can now swipe to see your previous page. Then swipe to see your new page, so that you can easily redesign this. So this is what we're going to do now. So this is what we want to redesign. So we're going to swipe to our new page, and then we'll go to our gallery and import the image we want to use. I've already imported my own to my uploads. Okay, I've already imported my own. So you can go to your upload, click on upload files up here. Click on upload files up here, and then you can now select from your gallery whatever you want to use for your designs. You can now select it here. You can see your gallery. So you can now select whatever you want to use for your design. So me, I have already done mine. So I'm going to go back. Okay. So this is what we are going to use. This is a picture we are using. This is a picture we are going to use. So we are going to make it to be big. Okay, so I'm going to swipe to see this one and then make it bigger. Okay, you can see now. Okay, so the next is to add our text. Design with just your smartphone. So what we are going to do now is to add text. Go to this one we are using to design. Then this down part here, just keep on swiping, just scroll it so that you can see your text. So you click on your text and then add subheading. Design with just okay, so this is what we want to do. This is it here. So we'll reduce the size a little, then take it up all the way. Okay, so now we are going to change the font also. We'll change the font. So you click on your text and then click on fonts down here. After you have clicked on fonts, you click on this arrow so that you can see other fonts. Are you seeing it? Click on this arrow here. So you click on the arrow and you can see other fonts too. So we are using Inter. This Inter. We are using the Inter. So you can click on this arrow to see different sizes of the Inter. So you click on that, you can see the thin, the extra light, the regular, medium, semi bold, extra bold, and black. So we can choose to use any of them. So for this one we are using the medium. we are using the medium. Okay, so go back and then go to format and align it to the left. You can see it. This align it to middle, align to right, you can align it to the left. Okay, and so we are done with that. So next thing we have to do now is to duplicate this one. How do you duplicate it? You click on this icon here for you to duplicate it. Click on it. You can see it's duplicated now. Then you click on your edit down here. And then you can write smart, capital letter smart. Okay, so we are done with that. Next thing is to make it to be bigger. Okay, and then we'll go to our fonts. Click on the arrow here, also what I showed us before, and then make this one to be extra bold, to be black. Make it to be black. No, let's use extra bold. Make it to be extra bold. Okay, so this is what we want. Next is to duplicate this smart. Duplicate this smart. Okay, and then click on edit. Then you now write your phone. Okay, so that's it. Let's increase the size of the phone. Okay, 87 is okay. And then use this notch to align it very well. Okay, use the notch also to arrange it very well. Okay, so we are done with that. Next is to change the color of the text. So click on the design with just your. So we'll go to color and then change the color to the color of this cloth. So how we'll do that is to click on this plus button here. So when you click on the plus button, you click on this icon here, this icon, so that you can pick a color from your design. This icon is for you to pick a color on your design. So you click on it and you can now see this round shape here, this round shape. So wherever you move the round shape to, the text will automatically change to the color of wherever you move the round shape to. You can see it. So we are putting the round shape on the cloth so that the text can change to the color of the cloth. And then we are done with that. So click on the next text, which is our smart. And then our smart, we are still changing it to the color of the cloth also. Click on color. Okay, and then for our phone, we are using a gradient color. Click on the plus button here. Click on the plus button and then click on gradient. You can see our gradient here. So you click on your gradient and then we are going to change the colors. For this one, it will remain the same color. But if you want to change it, you can click on it and change it to any color of your choice. You can also still click on this icon to pick a color from your design, just like this way. So we are picking this color from our design, and then you click on this arrow here to go back. So you click on this arrow to go back and then click on the next color here to select and then change this same color using our pick icon here. So click on the pick icon and move this round shape to the headset, the yellow in the headset. Okay, so this is what we want to achieve. So we are going to move it to the yellow. You see that the yellow are not the same, so move it to the part of the yellow that is a little bit dark. Okay, so this is what we want to achieve, and we are done with our color. So the next thing we have to do now is to add our line. So we are going to go to element here. Okay, so we are going to type up a line. Okay, so when you click on line, you can see up here, you can see all shape, graph, graphics, photos, frames. So we are going to click on shapes. Okay, if we can't find any line we want it here, we'll click on graphics. Okay, so now we can search for any line that will fit our design. Okay, so we can search for any line that will fit our design. Me, I'm using a pro version, so if you are using a free version, you can select anyone. So search for decorative line. Just search for decorative line at once. Okay, let's search for lines that is similar to the one we are using. Okay, I can't find anyone here. Okay. Let's still search for just the line. Okay, just search for a line that will fit this design. Okay, this is the one I'm going to use, but this one will only be available for the pro version. But if you're using the free one, you can just find anyone that will fit your design. But I'm going to use this one for this design. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color. I'll change the color to this. Okay, so this is what I want. So we'll still go back to element to search for our round shape. Okay, sorry, round line, not round shape, round line. Search for round line. Go to graphics. Okay, so you can see the one I'm using, but this one is also paid, so you can look for any free one. Look for any free one at all and use. Me, I'm using this one. Mine is a pro version, so I can use any one. But for you, if you are using a free one, just make sure you use any round line there that can fit your design. So we'll duplicate this text here using this icon I've showed us. Duplicate it using this icon here. Okay, so you can see, and then we'll editing it. Just type using Canva. Okay, I'm going to reduce the font size a little. Okay, and then we are going to use our nudge to arrange it very well. Okay, so we are done with that. The next thing now is to add these two shapes here by the side down here. So we'll go to our element and search for shapes. You search for shapes, just shapes. Okay, so you can click any square shape here. Okay, we're taking this square shape and then you reduce the size. You can use here to reduce, just like cropping, or you can use this one to reduce the size also. So you can use any of them and then place it here. You can see it, you duplicate it and bring this one down. here. So this, and then we change the color. Click on it and go to color. Change this one to this yellow, and click on the other one. Change it to the husband color here. Okay, so we are almost done with our design. The next thing is just to add this pattern that's in the background. So you go to your element, search for pattern, and then still go to graphics and search for any pattern that you want to use. Just select any one that you feel like to use, but this is the one I use for the design, so you can select any one of your choice. You can see there are so many elements here, so you can select any one of your choice. So let me just, I'm using this one. Okay, so what you will do now is to go to position, got position here, and to back, click on to back. So it has moved to the back of all our designs. Then you can then go to your transparency. You can then go to your transparency and reduce the transparency. To 20. Okay, and then we are done with our design. If you want to save your design now, you click on this icon here and you click on it. Then you can see download down here. Click on download, and your file type, make sure you select your PNG, and then for this select pages, you can see select pages here. So you are seeing page 1 and page 2. So if I just download it now, it will download the 2 pages. So I just want to download the one I'm just finished designing. So I'll click on this arrow here and then select current page. Okay, and then click on done, then click on download. So it's downloading, so it's now saved to my gallery. Thank you. See you in the next